And then lastly, we get to our presence control. This is going to control the dampening or the sound of the cabinet. So first, if we turn our presence all the way to the left, it's going to sound like this. So really awesome there. And then if I turn the presence all the way to the right, you get a little bit more high-end definition. It's really awesome that I have some of those controls. I like to set it somewhere in the middle to kind of get more of the natural sound of the speaker. And then we get to our master output control. This is going to be the master volume of the amp. Next we get to the power control. This is going to determine how many watts you're going to send to that 100-watt Wazacraft speaker that's actually in the cabinet. So you have adjustable 4-position switch. One is a standby, so when I go to unplug my guitar, it doesn't give the horrible buzzing sound. Next is going to be 0.5. 0.5 is going to be good for a bedroom volume, or if you're recording in a small studio, close miking, like we're doing here today. Next is going to be 50 and all the way up to 100 watts, and this will be up to the performance volumes that you're going to need to get over a band or a drummer. So really cool there. And then the two new knobs that we added to this amp in difference to the other Katanas, one is going to be a cabinet resonance switch. So this is interesting because this is just the way the cabinet is actually going to resonate. So first, I've been in the modern setting for the entire time of this video. So I'm going to first start in the modern clean. I'm going to switch to the vintage mode, and then I'm going to go to the deep mode. So here we go. Now I'm going to show it to you on the Brown Sound amplifier with a little bit of gain on it. So we're going to go back to the modern mode and we're going to add some gain. All right, cool. We're on our Brown Sound. I'm going to go to my bridge pickup position and it sounds like this. Okay, and now I'm going to switch between the vintage and the deep mode so you can kind of hear some of the cabinet resonance differences at high gain levels. So here we go. So again, really cool function to have, especially if you want to kind of shape those mids a little bit deeper than just using the mid knob that's on the amp. So really cool. And next we have